Good morning, I am Dominic Darll Osoteo, and I am going to show you how to identify computer problems. All computer problems fall into two general categories. The first one is the hardware problems. Hardware problems or hardware issues are directly related to the physical components of the computer system. For instance, if there is no image on the screen, the computer simply refuses to power on, the monitor displays odd colors after startup, or the keyboard doesn't work. Computer hardware problems are usually easier to specify, but they cost more to repair. Here are the basic steps to solve computer hardware problems. Check if the computer is plugged into a working outlet or everything is turned on. Check if the keyboard, mouse, monitor, or speakers are plugged into your device. The second computer problem is the software problems. Software problems usually appear after the startup process. If some applications no longer work properly or the operating system is unresponsive, it is clear evidence of a software problem. Software problems, though harder to detect, usually cost less to fix or repair. Here are the basic steps to solve computer software issues. Try restarting your computer. Make sure all programs are updated. If your computer is having problems after a new program was installed, remove that program and try reinstalling it. Check if your antivirus software is running.
Hi, my name is Chris Noble. I'm an independent IT consultant. My website is www.doglikehorse.com. I'm here to talk to you about basic computer network troubleshooting. The things you'll need for this are a basic understanding of TCP/IP, the networking protocol, a computer, a network, and spare Ethernet cables. The first step when troubleshooting any network problems is to get back to basics. You'll need to check that you have power to your router or hub. So you'll need to make sure that the lights are flashing and that the green lights in particular are flashing. Read the instructions from your router or hub's manufacturer, which will tell you what different flashing lights mean. Typically red or amber lights mean there's a problem somewhere along that line. The next thing you'll need to do is to check the actual connections between computers. Often the simplest networking problems can be, or the hardest networking problems can be fixed by checking the cables and checking that the connections work. If you're finding that the problem to a network is just with one particular computer, try replacing the Ethernet cable to the router from that computer. Once you're confident that the computers are all connected to the network and the Ethernet cables are working and that you should be able to communicate between computers, the best way to check whether there's communication happening is to use a protocol called ping. It's a tool called ping. You can use that on a Mac or on a PC. On a PC, you just open up a command prompt, type CMD in the run box and type PING space and then the IP address of the computer you wish to ping. On a Mac, you just need to open a terminal window and type ping space and the IP address of the computer you're trying to connect to. If you can connect, there'll be a reply and it'll typically be about 64 bytes of data you'll get back. If you can't connect, that window will tell you so, in which case you need to go back and figure out what's wrong with the hardware setup. My name's Chris Noble. Thanks for watching this video on basic troubleshooting for a network.
While trying to identify the problem with your computer, it is good to take notes. Write down what your computer is doing or not doing, and note any specific error codes that may come up. This will definitely make the repair process easier if you find that you need to hand off your computer to a certified computer repair professional. Thank you very much. I hope this helps.